Very warm good morning, guys. Today is 1st January 2021 and not 2020. Okay, this is 2021 now. Finally, we have entered into 2021. Okay, and before we start, first of all, I wish you all of you a very happy new year. Okay, may this new year brings you much joy and fun. May you find the peace, love, and success. Sending my heartiest new year wish for you. May the new year brings you happiness, peace, and prosperity. All right, guys. So, best wishes from my side to you all and for your forthcoming examination. Okay, let's start with our today's slide here. The first slide is saying about BSc Science Memorandum of Understanding with Bihar Bullion Trade and Industry Association, Patliputra, Sarfa Science, Sarfa Sangh, okay, to deepen its network in bullion trade. Now, see, here are some new words for you guys. You may not be able to understand. Now, what is BSE? BSE stands for your Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, signs the memorandum of understanding with whom they have signed understanding with a Bihar's. There is a in Bihar. There is a Bullion Trade and Industry Association, and the name of that association is Patliputra Surf Sangh. Okay, now some of you may not be knowing that what is this word called bullion. Okay, bullion means precious metal. See, precious metal. Okay, like for example, your gold. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, any precious metal is called bullion. Okay, so they have started their association with a Patliputra Surf Sangh. Okay, to deepen its network in bullion trade. Okay, memorandum of understanding will strengthen the community drive markets, enable them to face competition and manage price risk, better design together new products and precious metals commodities contract and deepen understanding of commodity market amongst stockholders. Okay, and BSC begins in which year? It in 1875 and is Asia's first and world's fastest exchange. Okay, the next slide is about the Central Bank of India impact with SIDBI for using its assessed restructuring module for bank MSME customers. Okay, now what is this SIDBI? SIDBI is a Small Industries Development Bank of India. Okay, and what they have done, they have signed a pact. Okay, now what is in pact in the sense of an agreement. Okay, so they have signed an agreement with SIDBI, okay, for using its assessed restructuring module for the bank or bank MSME. Okay, and what is this MSME stands here for? MSME stands for your Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise. Okay, the module is a DIY, okay, do it yourself web portal to help MSMEs prepare their own restructuring proposals under restructuring scheme by RBI. MSME's key is only the most essential data of their past financial future projection and restructuring the requirements for proposal. Okay, and headquarter of this is located in Lucknow, which was founded in year 1990. Next slide is from Maharashtra. The Maharashtra DGP Subodho Kumar Jaiswal appointed CISF DG, okay, Hemant Nagarel, to be the Maharashtra's new DGP. The appointment committee of the Union Cabinet approved the proposal of the Ministry of Home Affairs, okay, MHA. Jaiswal is an IPS officer of 1985 batch. The new Maharashtra DGP was appointed as per the Supreme Court ruling in Prakash Singh case. Okay, appointment committee chairman is PM. All right, guys. Okay, next slide is about Sri V.K. Yadav, Chairman of Railway Board, conferred with the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020. Okay, and this word over here, this is called confer. Okay, this is derived from the word called confer. Okay, and ET form we are adding, so double R. So conferred, and confer is something when you are taking some official, okay, a grant, a title, or a degree, that is called. Okay, so he has got this official title with eminent engineering award he has received. It was conferred by the Institution of Engineering and Technology for his outstanding contribution towards the modernization and reforms over Indian railways. Okay, and for what purpose he has got? he has got is for his contribution towards the modernization and the reforms over the Indian Railways. Okay, guys. Now, IET is a multidisciplinary professional engineering institution established in 1871. Okay, what is IIT? This is about it. It was established in 1871. IIT has around 1,68,000 members and it is in 150 countries. Gosh. Okay, next slide is about the finance minister allows Odisha to borrow rupees 1,429 crore more through open market borrowings post ease of doing business reforms. Odisha has now joined six other states. Okay, like previously the Rajasthan joined, right? Now it is another one that is Odisha. So Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, MP, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Rajasthan, and now the next one, seventh one is our Odisha, okay, which have completed the reforms that include compulsion of first assessment of district level business reform action plan. Okay, seven states granted permission of rupees 20,888 crore. Okay, next is about the cabinet approvals industrial corridor nodes at Krishnapatnam and Tamakuru under the Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridor. Okay, construction of Krishnapatnam Industrial Area and Tamakuru Industrial Area in approved. It is facilitate investment in these cities by providing a resilient infrastructure. Okay, 1.8 lakh employment generation was estimated. Okay. Next one is about the cabinet approval. Okay, a project worth rupees 3,004 crore for deepening the optimization of the inner harbor facilities at Paradip Port. Okay, development of the new western dock on built, operate, and transport. Okay, basis under triple P mode to handle capsize vessels. Okay, capital dredging by the selected concessionaries and providing the common supporting project infrastructure is to be done. Okay, it's commissioned in year 1966 and its location is Odisha. Okay, now here next one is about the approval given by the cabinet. It's about export of the Akash missile system and committee for faster approval of exports to achieve target of $5 billion in aerospace and defense goods and services by 2025. Exporting high value defense platforms like Akash is needed. The committee created compromise of defense minister, the external affairs minister, and the national security advisor. Akash inducted in 2014 in Air Force and 2015 in Indian Army. Okay, next latest update is from our Indian Railways. Indian Railway completes 180 kilometer per hour speed trial of Vista Dome tourist coaches. Okay, now see guys, what are the Vista Dome tourist coaches? I would like to tell you this word Vista. If you look at the only word called Vista is a what I can say. It's a pleasing view. Okay, a pleasant view is called Vista, and dome is in the sense of roof or top. Okay, so what these are actually Vista Dome tourist coaches, you need to understand is Vista Dome tourist coaches are the glass top coaches with a view to provide delightful travel experiences. Okay, so especially those who are fond of taking photographs and all this while traveling, so for them these kind of trains are going to be very helpful for them. Now, so the Indian Railway has started this, has completed this 180-kilometer speed trial of the new Vista Dome tourist coaches, adding muscles to Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. The new coaches made by ICF, okay, and these coaches are made by, see, this is important here, okay, these coaches are made by whom? So these are made by ICF, that is Integral Coach Factory, and this Integral Coach Factory is located in your Madras, Chennai, okay, in Tamil Nadu, and it has completed 180 kilometer per oscillation. Okay, that is it means to and fro process. Okay, it has completed the to and fro trials. Squeeze tests were already completed with a large viewing area, including the rooftop glasses with 44 seats. Okay, how many seats initially they have given in that per coach? 44. Okay, for passengers the aim is to provide a world-class modern travel experiences. Okay, and till now 13 Vistadom coaches currently operational in some certain selected routes. Okay, next news is from Indian Army. Indian Army acquires made in India bridging system to ensure speedy mobility during the key operations. Three sets of the 10-meter short span bridges were inducted in Indian Army. The system will help the forces in difficult terrain, which can then be used by vehicles and personnel to uh, crossover. Okay, and built by DRDO, they are compatible with 15-meter Sarvatra bridging system. Okay, Army is now capable to bridge gaps between 5 meter and 75 meter. Okay. Next news is from the world of football. Here, the former Indian footballer and Olympian Nikhil Nande passes away at 88. Was a part of the national team that finished the fourth at 1956 Melbourne Olympics. Okay, the team that reaches the semi-final in 1958 Asian Games in Tokyo, Bengal team that won Santosh Trophy in 1955 and won the Kolkata Football League with Eastern Railways back in 1958. Okay, his brother Santosh Anil part of team at 1948 Olympics. Next news is from ISRO. ISRO chairman K. Sivan gets 1 year extension as Secretary of Department of Space. The Appointments Committee of the Union Cabinet approved extension of 1 year up to January 14, 2022. Okay, till 2022 he will be now the Secretary of Department of Space. Okay. He will now continue as ISRO chairman and secretary Department of Space. He took charges as chairman in January 2018 from A.K. Kiran Kumar. Okay. Now ISRO, it was established in 15th August 1969. This is something important, guys. Okay. And headquarters is located in Bengaluru. Okay, this is the last slide of the day today. The Common Service Centers (SPV) partners with IIT Delhi to set up innovation lab Divine in rural area. The design and innovation lab, which will conduct research on the new products and services for village level entrepreneurs, infrastructure and expertise available at IIT Delhi, will help to solve rural problems with the wide network of VLEs across the country. Okay. All right, guys. So this is all about today's current GK. Okay, and wish you a happy New Year once again. Have a nice day. Enjoy your time. Bye bye.